I don't know what to talk about, but I'm on a trip. I'm in a cabin, you know. It's cool. But honestly though, like, I am in a cabin. I'm sleeping in a loft. See? Okay, so my room's kind of small, but every time this is how big it is, and my head literally hits the ceiling. So this is my room for the next 2 weeks. You know, it's okay though, because when I'm laying down it really doesn't matter, but like on camera it looks kind of claustrophobic, but it really isn't. And then it goes over here too, and then the stairs down, there's my shoes, there's my feet. This is my room tour. We have my bag, my computer, my clothes, the pillows. That YouTube pillow, by the way, someone got it for me and I never knew who, because it was at like a white elephant party and no one ever told me like where they got it. Oh, I just found this. Someone wrote this. This isn't our cabin, by the way. Yeah, it says Stella on it, but yeah, this is my room tour. I have all my blankets and my computer so I can edit this. And then I have my 4 windows and my other 4 windows. This is outside. It's a cool view, but yeah. And then the deck down here has a grill and a few chairs. That's our chairs. And then we have the seating area over there. Then we have a swing over there. But yeah, this is what's going on for the next 2 weeks, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog because it's actually gonna be kind of fun, I hope. Oh, you know what? I forgot to tell somebody, but someone commented on my last video wondering where I got my Harry Potter socks from, and they are from Target. My camera's flashing. Why? So this is the main seating area, and like the kitchen. Then we have the rooms back there, bathroom, and then we have my stairs to go up to my room, and then we have this little area where I'm gonna read my book and charge my camera battery. But yeah, fire pit, TV. This is the backyard, all rocks. And then if you go in here just to view, yeah, how cool is that? I'll show you guys the back. See? It's all just rocks. I'll show you the fire pit too. Then we have our little fire pit. They gave us some logs, which is really nice. The rock path, rocks, more rocks, a lot of rocks. And then over here is the back of the cabin. You know, it would be really cool if they had like an outdoor seating area back here, but there is the threat of snakes and bears, so I really would not like that. The ground isn't even sturdy enough. But yeah, there's the trail. If you want to go hiking, just be cautious of what you see. But yeah, this is the outside area. This is the cabin. See, as I said, we have our seating area. We have this cool swing set that literally is kind of broken, but that's fine. So over here they have the bike park, bike trail. I'm out of breath because I just went on a run, but it's kind of cool. Cool, you can just walk anywhere you want.